Hello friends and welcome back to Dash of Spices. Do you know that you can make this delicious cinnamon rolls using your air fryer unit? Let me show you how. This is very quick and easy. Cinnamon rolls using the Pillsbury Cinnamon rolls. Start with this Pillsbury 8-count cinnamon rolls. Just follow the direction on the packaging and how to remove it. It shows right here that you need to cook this 375 degrees for 17 minutes. We're not going to do that because it's going to burn your cinnamon rolls. And I'm going to show you the correct temperature and time to cook this cinnamon rolls. Just simply remove the cinnamon rolls from the packaging like what I'm doing right here. And don't forget the icing. Grab your air fryer unit or the basket. Spray this with a non-stick spray. This prevents the cinnamon rolls from sticking into the basket. Now simply place those cinnamon rolls into the basket like what I'm doing right here. Make sure that the toppings are facing upwards. This will fit about 8 counts of the cinnamon rolls. If you have the same size as mine, which is 5.8 cosori air fryer. If you have a cosori air fryer, there's a preset button for the bread, which what we're going to use. This will cook the cinnamon rolls perfectly without burning it. And after 8 minutes, there is the cinnamon rolls perfectly done, perfectly cooked, not overcooked, not burnt. Just simply add the icing like what I'm doing right here. It's going to melt because this is still piping hot. So cook it 320 degrees for 8 minutes, because if you cook it for 375, you're going to have a burnt cinnamon rolls. Using 320 8 minutes, the cinnamon rolls are cooked perfectly. This is super delicious. This is fun to make with your kids. Your kids could actually make this on their own. You just need assistance for a little bit just to place this in the air fryer unit. But other than that, this is a simple treat. Perfectly done, moist in the inside and a little bit crunchy on the outside. I hope you like this video. Please give it a try. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone for watching. We'll see you next time. Ciao!